I mi, mae bod yn feddyg teulu di rhoi cyfle gwych i mi i edrych ar ôl y claf yn gyfan yn hytrach na edrych ar ôl un afiechyd. Dwi hefyd i cael cyfle gwych i gadw fy sgiliau clinigol craidd. Dros y blynyddoedd dwi wedi dod i nabod llawer o gleifion a dod i nabod eu teuluoedd nhw, drwy amseroedd da a hefyd drwy amseroedd drwg. Dwi'n teimlo fel fy mod i wedi bod yn rhan o'r gymuned a sy'n licio meddwl bod y gymuned hefyd wedi gwerthfawrogi y gwaith dwi wedi wneud dros y blynyddoedd. Hefyd mae yna gyfleoedd gwych wedi bod i mi fel addysgwr a dwi wedi bod yn addysgu meddygon teulu rwan ers tua 12 mlynedd.
I chose general practice because when I was a junior doctor going around the wards doing lots of different hospital jobs, I enjoyed most of what I did, but what I enjoyed was never the details and the complexities of the specialties. It was always just chatting to patients, finding out about their lives and what makes them tick and how that impacts on their health and on their illness. And that's what general practice is all about, really.
I feel really privileged to be a GP. I chose the career because of the variety, the flexibility within the role. Also, for me, it fits my personal choices for my family. You work relatively independently, but you also have the benefit of colleagues for support if needed.
Currently, for me, what works really well about general practice is that it gives me the opportunity to pursue my professional career, which is very important to me, but also to work flexibly in a way that fits in with my family and having young children. And I think general practice is a great door opener as a qualification because there are so many different patterns of working and ways of working that almost anyone can find a niche that allows them the sort of work-life balance that they want.
As with any career, particularly medicine, you need to be responsible for your own work-life balance, and that sometimes takes a little bit of work, but there is the opportunity in GP for a really good work-life balance. It can fit around a family, it can be flexible, and you do have lots of opportunities for outside interests, particularly in the area we live in.